The market demand for pop-up plastic bags continues to grow. Compared with traditional packaging methods, pop-up plastic bags are more convenient to use and provide a cleaner and more hygienic experience. They are gaining increasing popularity among consumers and businesses. To improve product competitiveness, stable and efficient production equipment is the key. This pop-up plastic bag folding machine is the preferred equipment for many plastic bag manufacturers. The machine supports loading 2 or multiple rolls of raw materials simultaneously and can be customized according to customer requirements. Suitable for processing ADP and LP plastic film rolls with a thickness of 10 to 60 microns. One machine can complete feeding and tension adjustment, constant temperature sealing, cutting, and interlocking folding, with automatic finished product output. The produced plastic bags feature a neat appearance, standardized folding, strong sealing, and smooth dispensing. From solution design and drawing preparation to equipment manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and after-sales maintenance, we have 30 years of manufacturing experience. We specialize in customized machinery production and provide customers with stable and reliable automated solutions.